and ensure the quality of the final product. Fruit grading ensures that each type of product is processed in the best way to ensure quality and uniformity. At the same time, multi-layer packaging helps preserve fresh fruit and prevent damage caused by transportation and storage. This line is often designed to work automatically and efficiently, minimizing human intervention and enhancing production productivity. At the same time, it also provides the flexibility to be able to handle a variety of fruit types and packaging requirements. The multi-lane fruit sorting and packaging line not only helps optimize the production process, but also ensures optimal quality and preservation of the product, every step from decoration to exploitation. With advanced sorting technology, this machine not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures the quality and uniformity of tomatoes. The machine's rapid sorting speed and high precision ensure that each tomato is handled with the same level of care and precision. Pear is a symbol of sophistication and sweetness in the fruit world. With their velvety appearance and vibrant colors, pears are not only a source of inspiration for every meal, but also a symbol of freshness and appeal. The sweet and cool taste of pears not only delights every mouth, but also captivates every soul. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green color, and refreshing sweet taste, kiwi is not only a delicious fruit, but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds. And now comes the special ASMR program for sculpture lovers. Many people are willing to spend hundreds of dollars on this show instead of enjoying food. It's time for you to clean all of your stuff. Praise her forklift driving skills by leaving a comment. The crown molding is one of the factors that determine the beauty inside your house. Take a few seconds to be amazed by the incredible scale of the system creating this septic tank. The road printer can create roads anywhere from 3 to 20 feet wide. The 3D free pipe bender is a perfect choice for creative enthusiasts. The entire layer of tape is removed by the machine without affecting the quality of the road surface. Wind power is the only energy making this unmanned machine work.